Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix account sync problems on Monopoly Go. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So to fix a Monopoly Go sync issue, first try basic steps like checking your internet, restarting the app or device, and then updating the device. If that fails, clear the app's cache or data on Android or offload or reinstall in iPhone to refresh your data. And for persistent problems or account switching issues, contact support with your account details like user ID, net worth, etc. So those are the basic fixes that you can work with. So I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.